So this is our Cob house on Christmas Day 2018. And if you look out there, whoop, there's Cash and Casey playing at the pond. And Jinx is with them. So we're going to do a little tour and see where we're at this part in our life. Let's walk up to the front. Let's see, that is the front door. And we have the rock embedded. There's a pattern going up along the sides of the door. The rocks serve multiple purposes. They're ledges for shelves, they're aesthetics, and they are another way to fill in the cob. So less cob is less labor, so it takes up space. The scissor trusses are stained, at least on the front right now. We have the two logs going through the house. And all the windows are pretty much up, at least for the bottom level. There may be some more going in the loft. Perhaps one more in the bathroom. As we walk through the door here, there is a window getting set for a frame. This arch window is going to go above the front door, make a really nice entryway. To the left, oops, a bit of wind today. To the left is the bathroom area. You can see we have some cubbies that we've been working on. And there's a layer of rock going across the top that's going to be embedded in the cob. You won't see that on the outside. There's a couple that we do stick out for ledging. Okay, so there's going to be a kitchen on the other side over here. And the woods are out there. That's most of our rolling property. And then the pond is on the left side of the house, over there. And there's the big log going through the middle. We really wanted that large window right when you walk in. So it gives the illusion that the house is bigger than it is by being able to see all the way through it. The prevailing winds are south and north, and we have a north cold front coming through. So we have north side of the house, south side is the front door, and windows that open. This one does not open. This is a picture window. That opens, almost all the other windows in here open to be able to have wind flow going through the house. This will be the living room area. Over there will be the bedroom area. Where the round window is, the little round window, that's going to be a pantry, a walk-in pantry. It should be about 6 feet wide. Again, that's the bathroom area with the window you can't see through. The front door. The kitchen will be over here with these opening windows. And this will be the breakfast nook with the large round window. This large pole that we got from the oh, there's Cash's name. This large pole we got from the property. Casey stained it, sealed it multiple times with orange oil to keep the bugs out. He sanded it down to a really smooth finish for being a log that was completely a tree, had full bark, everything. This to buy somewhere would cost over $500. Oh, Tucker is calling us. Let's go out the side door here. Onto the back patio. Here's little man Tucker. Hey buddy, what are you doing? Oh, alright, I'll pick you up. Okay, we're back on the patio. Just got Tucker out of there. See, it's me, little Tucker. So now we are by the mortar mixer. Once we started using that, things went a lot faster. We have the see-through panels, or well, I shouldn't say see-through, they're translucent, so they let in light. but you can't see the sky. I was unable to find panels that were completely see-through that matched the R pattern of our roofing. So we at least have skylights in the paneling of our roof, some over inside the house there. But I wish I could see the clouds. Maybe one day we'll be able to change that. So, here's the backyard right now. Some burn piles we have from some of the shrubbery around here. It's a good time to cut right now. All these buckets are rainwater. Eventually we're going to have a gutter up here, but right now we're just collecting it for using in the cob. So everything that goes into the mix has come from the land, except for the straw. That we did have to buy. There's our sailboat that has turned into a Peter Pan Captain Hook playset of sorts right now, since it's out of use at the moment. Some rock piles of the rock that we were originally going to make the wall with, but now it is like the stem wall, the bottom part of the wall. We ended up using the large 6 and 4 foot long 2 foot by 2 foot blocks instead. And then now we're using the little rock to go inside the wall. It also is going to help with thermal mass. And our wood for framing, our hot tub that we haven't used in ages. And mother-in-law across the road there. There's a little RV we've been living in as we do our project. Little sacrifice for a lot of gain. We take morning walks out here, and we really enjoy the property still. Okay, well, that's pretty much all I got. Merry Christmas.